What's going on, fans? So when you get that low tire pressure sign up there, it's very cold. Well, right now it's 34, but the last 2 days was like 10, 15, 20 degrees. So I know when it's really cold, the low profiles, they tend to lose air quick. But if you have that, you put in air for a 2019 Honda Accord 1.5. I know at low profiles and 19-inch wheels, they got like 32, I think. I don't know. I think 32 or 33. I put 33 on all of the tires. And also, how you reset it after you put in the air, it's still gonna be there. So you come over to here and you click on settings, but make sure the vehicle's in parked. And then you go to vehicle, and then you go to TPMS collaboration, and then you press collaborate. And once that's done, and voila, magic. So there you go. That's it. And then if it comes back on within a day or two, that means you're losing tire, like you're losing air in one of your tires. So get that checked out soon then. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, hit the notification button. And thanks for supporting the channel. Later.